Well, there are professional business evaluators or evaluation experts. And so, you know, sometimes they can be helpful. Sometimes they are in the area, sometimes they're out of the area. The problem that I see with professional evaluators is that, you know, my practice is in the Treasure Coast and then Palm Beach County as well, which has some fairly large businesses, but it's not, you know, like Washington, New York City, things of that nature. And so if you get a professional evaluator that doesn't understand the local dynamics, that can be more harmful than helpful. So certainly, like I said, a lot of the people that walk in, I understand the sector they're in, or I know people that are in, you know, that particular business. And so without, you know, disclosing confidential information, I can gather information and help the owner to, you know, evaluate it so that they can put a reasonable price up for sale and accept a reasonable price depending on what kind of factors come up in due diligence and what the buyer is looking for too. You know, every kind of sale is different. You have this different relationship and different dynamic because everybody's different. And every business has got some unique qualities to it. But certainly you can have business evaluators. You can, if there's real estate involved, you can have, you know, brokers. As I stated, I'm a real estate broker. So most of the time I don't reach out, but, you know, occasionally I'll run into some type of commercial property. And even though I know commercial real estate really well, I'll run into a hitch and I'll be like, wait a second, I know a broker that knows this area really well. And I'll bring that broker in and they can help with the valuation as well. So there are other people, but a lot of times I do between the client and myself. Like my client and myself come up with the asking price, and then obviously when there's an offer or counter offers, or once there comes a point where you think that there's going to be a sale, then the client has to kind of sign off on the fact that they feel comfortable that enough research has been done, and that if they accept this, may not be exactly what they wanted, but they can live with it and it really accomplishes the goal they set out for whatever kind of motivations brought them to put their business up for sale.